Okay, so let's continue. So you see here, actually this is the page region, and we have two wireframes in it. And you also can see that we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 web frames, which are actually managed by the master page. And here is the block header. So actually this is the one wireframe. We have the global navigation. You have this user menu here and all the rest. So if I browse on another page here, actually the web frames are changing now and the pages are changing. You can tell by the changes in the URL. So these are different pages, but the content in the master pages stays the same. So these 1, 2, 3, 5 pages here are actually managed by the same master page. So if I want to change something on all 5 pages, like putting a site widget here that needs to appear on all 5 pages, I need to put it in the master page region and it will start appearing on all 5 pages. Okay.
This is a typo on that page, by the way, boys. You know that, yeah?
Where it is?
On the right hand side, you've got search. It should be search. See where it says recent comments? Search.
Okay, so you see now how we deal with things.
Yeah, change
I
it.
intentionally put it there, Jim.
Did you?
Liar. So to change this, I just need to navigate to the web frame management screen, which I've done with right-clicking, save, and it's done.
Done. Great.
So you see, because it's Smart Browse mode on, I can just right-click. This web frame has no management mode, but it has settings mode.
Yeah.
I'm putting it, so I have the general settings of the web frame, I have the specific settings of the web frame, I have the revision history. So in this case, because all web frames have titles, I need to change the title, and I also can type here thanks Jim and just save it, and here it is.
Yeah, brilliant.
Jim.
Yeah, brilliant.
So in our former system, what we didn't like with George, so to make that kind of change, you needed to log into the administration, log into the user interface, find the module you want to change, click on it, and make the change. So with Smart Browse, a lot of things will be easier, and a lot more will become easier when we start developing it further and further.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question, boss?
Yes.
I get how flexible this is with the reusability in web frames and how easy it is to change things. But you compare that to page types, where obviously you've got a set number of templates that are structured. Is there going to be a plan to kind of build some of the functionality that we're used to in page types, so that we don't have to start from scratch? I'm thinking of things like regular things that we're going to come across in needing for websites, like a form builder and things like that.
No, actually not, David, because of things here are, let's say, because of the many configurations, we don't have predefined environment. It's easy to be done if we have a predefined environment. And right now, because many things, we allow configurations of many aspects of the environment, we are saying that, of course, we cannot do it. And we're kind of thinking that the templates are actual way of speeding up the building process. So if you like, let's say, a blog or something, you go and find one of the 10 or 12 or 20 or 100 blog templates that will be available, choose the one that fits your needs closely, and just make the rest of the changes that you need to apply. And I know why you're saying that. You have of course right to ask about it. It will be a lot nicer to have it, but because we needed to focus on the customization and an ability to customize all the aspects in order to fulfill our goal to actually build many different applications without any constraints, we had to give up this. We had to give up the predefined and hard-coded things. And actually we don't have anything hard-coded here.
Fair enough. Understand.
But of course, as we discussed, it's very different to work on a platform than to work on a, let's say, CMS solution. If you, let's say, taking into consideration SharePoint actually does not have templates. They does not have page types. They have applications, and you can install another application. You can install, let's say, another project management application. And this application itself, it came with all the pages needed and all the web frames correctly put here and there. The same is with us. So the concept of having a platform, it's different from the concept of having a CMS. In CMS, you leave about 60 to 70% closed for editing. I'm talking about not open source that you can touch everything. I'm talking about user interface. They're closed for changes, and because they're closed for changes, you have a defined environment. You can build on top of that environment. You can say, I'm sure there is always, let's say, default master page, so I will make my template use the default master page. In this environment, there is no default master page. There is no master page that you cannot delete. There is no master page that it's always presented. So even on this very tiny little thing, what master page this template should use, we are failing because of the platform approach. The same thing is in Drupal, of course, and as dividing line, it's not the same in, let's say, in Joomla, or it's not the same in the standard CMS solutions, because they have these things called types or page types. Okay, so what I have done to build actually this page, we will start playing with the get started. So the first thing is I want to actually change the layout, let's say with the get started, and I want to let's say put a side menu here that will present the user navigation plus the search. Let's say this is the task that I need to fulfill. Because I want, the first thing I want a side column. A side column actually is a region that I need to have, so to put web frames in there. And the first thing I need to check out is whether the master page, the layout it is using, has these two columns. And never mind, it's labeled block 1 column, which kind of implies it has only one column. So right now you see how quickly from the Smart Browse menu you can navigate to the elements, representational elements. You can navigate from here to the page and master page, and from the web frames menu you can quickly navigate to all the web frame management screens. So I'm navigating to the master page. Right now I can clearly see there is 9 pages that are using this master page. Here they are all. And I want to apply this change for all these pages. All these pages need to have a sidebar.